Our leatherette tailored seat covers improve the look of your van interior while protecting your seats. They can revamp old and tired seats or help new ones stay looking new. They look great, protect your seats, are easy to fit, and feel like real leather. Step 1. Start by tilting the seat forward or lowering it to give yourself more space. Remove the headrest by pressing the release buttons on the plastic guides and pulling the headrest upwards. Step 2. Undo the Velcro at the sides, then slide the backrest cover over the top of the seat and pull it down evenly, like putting on a t-shirt. Step 3. Push the plastic headrest guides through the holes at the top of the cover. Step 4. If your seat has an armrest, pull the cover down around the armrest and fasten the Velcro underneath. If your seat doesn't have an armrest, pull the cover down, fasten the Velcro together, then tuck the sides into the plastic trim. Step 5. At the bottom of the backrest, locate the foam tuck-in pouch and push it into the gap between the backrest and the seat base. Tilting the seat forward can make this easier. For a better fit, pull the material tighter from behind the seat. Step 6. Pull the base cover over the seat base and wrap the skirt underneath the front corners. Step 7. Tuck the sides of the base cover into the gap between the seat base and the plastic trim. Repeat this on both sides of the seat base. Step 8. At the front of the seat base, you'll find 2 Velcro straps. Wrap them around the bar under the seat, pull tight, and fasten the Velcro back together. Step 9. Push the back of the base cover further into the gap between the seat base and backrest if possible. Step 10. Refit the headrest. Slide the headrest cover on like putting on a hat. The white stitching goes at the front. Step 11. Pull the armrest cover on like a sock. Opening the Velcro and turning the back corners inside out can make this easier. Slide it over the armrest, then fold the corners back and reattach the Velcro. Step 1. Remove both headrests from the double passenger seat. Step 2. Undo the zip on the backrest cover. Step 3. Place the backrest cover over the top of the seat and pull it down evenly at the sides. Lift the seat base up to give more space. Rezip the cover behind the seatbelt. Step 4. Push the plastic headrest guides through the holes in the cover. Step 5. Lift the passenger side base and move the center seatbelt out of the way. Tuck the foam pocket into the gap between the backrest and the bar under the seat. Step 6. The base covers are labeled driver side and passenger side. Step 7. Starting from the back, slip the cover over the seat and push the seat into the pocket, with the elastic strap going underneath the seat. Step 8. Pull the cover over the inside corner, then the outside corner, aligning the seams. Pull the sides down so the seams and edges line up neatly. Undo the Velcro cover at the side and stick the Velcro tab to the soft part of the seat. Step 9. Underneath, attach each clipped elastic strap to a hole under the seat. Repeat until all straps are secured. Repeat the same process for both base covers. Step 10. Refit the headrests and slide the headrest covers on like a hat. The hook Velcro tab sits at the front.